Your full name is your soul's contract, and your name number is the combined frequency of your full name. Each letter in the alphabet carries its own vibration, and when you match the corresponding number to each letter in your full name, it gives you your total name number vibration. This represents your overall frequency that you give off, your auric field, your basic personality traits, the impact and the influence you have on the world, how other people see you, and your overall reputation. You can use this chart called the unit method to calculate your name number vibration. And this is just an image taken from my book, Supreme Mathematics, links in my profile bio. What you will notice about this chart called the unit method is that there are no letters under the number 9. And this is because the number 9 cannot alter fate. All it can do is fulfill it. Because any number you add to 9 just equals itself. So if there was a letter that individually vibrated to 9 by itself, that letter would erase itself in the total name number vibration. And this is something that the Chaldeans discovered thousands of years ago. And so because of this, it is impossible for a letter to vibrate to the number 9 by itself because its frequency is way too high, which would cause the letter to erase itself. The only way you can have a 9 in name numerology is if the total combined frequency of all the letters in your full name add up to 9. That is the only way. The only numerology that uses the number 9 in the alphabet is Pythagorean numerology. And Pythagorean numerology is false. And this is why no professional or master numerologist use it. They all use the Chaldean method or the unit method. You will never find them using the Pythagorean method. Once you have calculated your total name number vibration, what you're going to do is reduce the sum to a singular digit. So let's say, for example, you ended up getting a name number 78. What you're going to do is take 7 plus 8, that's going to give you 15. Then take 1 plus 5, and that's going to give you 6. So 78 is a name number 6. Let's say, for example, you got 53. 5 plus 3 is 8, so 53 is a name number 8. Let's say, for example, you got 106. 1 plus 0 plus 6 is 7. So 106 is a name number 7. Now, if you want the definition of the bigger number before we reduce, like for example, like 78, 105, 39, 68, those definitions are in my book. But in today's video, we're going to be talking about the name number 6. If you are a name number 6, you are very beautiful. If you are not physically beautiful, you have a very beautiful and attractive quality about you. And this is because number 6 is ruled and governed by Venus, which is the planet of beauty and attraction. Venus is also the planet of love. And so as a 6, you are a very emotional creature that feels things very deeply. And you guys fluctuate between love and hate. The higher vibrational 6s are very loving. The lower vibrational 6s are extremely hateful. And they feel hate stronger than almost all the other numbers. As a 6, because you guys are so loving, you guys have a high level of compassion for others. And so you guys feel a high level of responsibility for other people. And this makes you extremely devoted to serving your community. The difference between the number 6 and the number 9 is that the number 9 is concerned for humanity as a whole. The number 9 is concerned for the world. They view themselves as universal citizens. But 6s don't really care about what's going on all around the world. 6s are primarily concerned with their family, their friends, and their immediate environment. These people care about their relationships and everything that they affect. And so if a 6 sees somebody doing wrong, because these people are very idealistic, they're going to correct you. If they see somebody getting mistreated, they're going to defend that person. 6s are extremely tribal, and these people are extremely nationalistic, and they're also very patriotic as well. These people will do anything for those that they love, and they'll do anything for those that they care. But because they care so much, a lot of them can be smothering to their loved ones and can become a little bit too much controlling because they think that they know what's best for themselves, they think that they know what's best for their loved ones, and they think they know what's best for their community. And so these people can be very controlling, but this also gives them very good leadership skills. A 6 is not known to be a follower. They're a leader who serves the community. These are the leaders that solve the problems of others. And so sixes make excellent teachers, counselors, consultants, musicians, because they're extremely artistic, and they're great with anything that requires taking care of other people. And so these people are great nurses, and they're also great in the health industry. This number gains the most fulfillment from serving others. They're also perfectionists as well. And so as a six, you need to perfect something in life, and then use this thing that you perfected to serve your community or serve those that you're connected to through your relationships. And this is going to give you fulfillment in life. As a six, you are here to create a heaven on earth. This is a very materialistic number, and you guys are unsatisfied with your immediate community. You guys are never happy with how your community is. You guys constantly want to improve it, and you guys constantly want to have an impact, a positive impact on your immediate environment. You want to see physical changes, and you guys are excellent problem solvers. One thing that you guys have to work on is not being a doormat for your loved ones. You guys don't take shit from other people, but when it comes to those that you love, you guys let a lot of stuff go, and you guys allow your loved ones to overuse you because you're willing to do anything for those that you love. So try to pay more attention to your immediate needs first before you try to help other people, and don't allow people to fully just drain you, because they will do that. Another thing I will watch out for is trying to be a little bit too overly controlling in your relationships. Now, if you would like a deeper and more complete analysis of your entire numerology chart, just click the link in my profile bio and read my book, Supreme Mathematics, A Complete Guide on Chaldean Numerology.